Can I block a no-caller ID number?
Hello there. Today, we're going to discuss a common issue that many of us face: unwanted calls from no-caller ID numbers. Can you block these anonymous calls? Yes, you absolutely can, and today we're going to show you how.
What is a no-caller ID call?
Before we dive into solutions, let's first understand what a no-caller ID call actually is. When you receive a call from no-caller ID, it means that the caller has intentionally blocked their number. This could be for a variety of reasons, including a desire for privacy or even ill intentions like scams. Whatever the reason, it can be quite annoying to receive these anonymous calls, especially if they're frequent.
Can no-caller ID calls be blocked?
Now, onto the main question. The answer is yes, you can block no-caller ID calls. However, the method to do so depends on your specific phone and carrier. For most smartphones, there isn't a direct option to block these types of calls. You can, however, use settings to silence unknown callers or contact your carrier for additional options.
How to block no-caller ID calls on iPhone?
If you're an iPhone user, you can enable the Silence Unknown Callers feature in your phone settings. Here are the steps. 1. Open your Settings app. 2. Scroll down and tap Phone. 3. Find and tap the Silence Unknown Callers option. 4. Toggle on the switch. Remember, this feature silences all calls from numbers that aren't in your contacts. It's not a perfect solution, but it can help reduce the annoyance of unsolicited no-caller ID calls.
How to block no-caller ID calls on Android?
For Android users, you can use the Block Unknown Callers option or use a third-party app. Here's how to do it. 1. Open the Phone app. 2. Tap on Settings, typically by tapping the three dots in the corner of the screen. 3. Scroll down to Block Numbers. 4. Enable Block Unknown Callers. Again, this feature will block all unknown callers, not just no-caller ID calls. So be mindful of this when activating it.
Other methods.
If the above methods don't suit you, you can also contact your carrier for additional options. Some carriers may provide services to block specific types of calls, including anonymous ones. You might also consider using third-party apps. Many of them can provide more specific blocking features, although you should be careful about the permissions these apps require. And there you have it. Hopefully, this video has given you a better understanding of no-caller ID calls and how to block them. Remember, the best method depends on your specific phone and carrier. You don't have to tolerate unwanted calls. Take control of your phone experience today. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.